Hey guys, welcome back to the Power BI Pro Tips by Teachers. In the today's video, let us go ahead and see the three main time intelligence functions in a Power BI report. They are year-to-date function, the quarter-to-date function, and month-to-date function. So let us go ahead and try to understand what the data is all about. So I basically have various customer details, customer ID and customer names, and my standard date table, and my locations data, and the product data, and my transaction table, that is sales table, and the sales people information. Say for example, if at all I'm interested in calculating total sales and the year to date sales, then let us see how to do that. So first thing is we would be calculating total sales, that would be our quantity into price present in the dataset. Sum X from the transaction table, sales quantity into current price. Say for example, if at all we need to calculate year to date sales, then we use a function called as the total YTD function. So we have two methods of creating a YTD function. One is total YTD and the other function is dates YTD. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and try to use the same. Let us create a new measure and let us name our measure as sales YTD, which is equivalent to calculate total sales, comma, dates YTD and date field. That's it. So this calculate our sales YTD by our first method. So the sales YTD basically gives us the sales of 2018 starting from the first day of 2018 to the end of 2018. Say if at all we need to do it for 2019, the starting sales of the 2019 to the current end 2019. Alright, similarly for 2020 and 2021, 22, 23 and so on. Alright. So let us go ahead and create a table containing the date field, the total sales, and now let us go ahead and take our sales YTD. So this basically gives us the year to date sales, and let us go ahead and try understanding how exactly it gives us the data. So on the sales YTD, our first day of 2018 sales is present as it is, and on Jan 2018 we have a sales of 1,29,000, that is the first day sales and the second day sales. Alright, similarly on 3rd we have the appended total sales that gives out here, and similarly on 4th we have the appended 4-day sales over here. So this is how the sales year to date is calculated, that is the total sales of the starting of the year to the current date and time. Alright, the similar logic is applied for quarter to date and month to date as well. Okay, and the other approach of writing the YTD sales is total YTD. Let us name this as sales YTD 2, which is equivalent to the total YTD function of total sales date. That's it. If you go ahead and drag into the same table, you will get the same value, since totals YTD and dates YTD refer to the YTD function. And just like dates YTD, We can also calculate our quarter to date and month to date as well. Let us go ahead and create a measure called as sales QTD, which gives out the total sales information of the starting of the quarter till the end of the quarter. Okay. Sales QTD is equivalent to calculate total sales, comma, dates QTD, and then the dates field. Let's close that measure. Let's go ahead and take it inside the table. So just like sales YTD, I'm going to format it as dollars. And on the other hand, the sales MTD is also calculated just like this. Sales MTD is equivalent to calculate total sales, comma, dates MTD of the date field. Okay, so this actually gives us the information of the total sales at the starting of every month to the end of the month. Say for example, if at all we are supposed to calculate the April MTD sales. So the sales MTD refers to the month, the starting of the month, that is April 1st sales to the April month end sales. That refers to the MTD sales. Alright. So just like that, YTD sales would be the sales of the year start date to the year end date. I mean the current date. And the quarter to date would be the starting of the quarter sales to the quarter end date. Alright. Similarly, the month to date would be the sales of the starting of the month to the month end sales. Okay. There you go. So all these DAX functions, I mean all year to date, quarter to date and month to date are the three important time intelligence DAX functions in a Power BI. Okay. So that's it for today guys. Let us catch up in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, happy analyzing and take care guys.